Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Honda Pilot. First, gather all your tools like a wrench, oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter, usually found underneath the engine. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process much smoother. Once prepared, position your oil drain pan directly under the drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing immediately. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This ensures you remove as much old oil as possible before adding new. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your garage snacks fresh or packing a healthy lunch. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter with an oil filter wrench. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before installing it. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about 1/4 of a turn more. Finally, add the correct type and amount of new engine oil through the fill cap, usually around 4.5 quarts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.